I don't know how to.
I'll help you out. Oh yeah, I got you. What's her name again?
Benjamin.
Benjamin. Oh, what a beautiful dog. Oh my goodness.
Hi, Benjamin. Benjamin, speak. Benjamin, speak. 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 讲话。你好，你好，你好，你好，你好，你好。Hi, Benjamin, speak. Okay, good boy. Okay, good boy.
Alright, we're in the city, guys. I'm going to be shooting the Leica M6 today. We made some new friends as well. Very nice, fun vibes. Beautiful weather as well. But yeah, we're just going to go out and shoot today.
My name is Shandy. That's my dog, Benjamin.
Hi.
Benjamin, speak. Benjamin, speak. Speak. Say hi. Hi. Speak. Speak. Speak.
I don't know. Instagram, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You got it.
Go ahead. Yeah, put it there. Video again. Bought online or what?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Alright, bye. Have a good one. Nice meeting you. Alright, greetings and salutations everyone. So just to do a quick little formal introduction, you guys, we're here in the city today doing just a little vlog, shooting with the new camera, the Leica M6. And you know, I always tell people that photography brings people together, and in this case that was especially true. But I want to rephrase that and just say that this camera brings everyone together because she noticed the Leica M6 and she recognized the red dot and said that some of her friends have the camera, and that is essentially how we connected. But you guys, I'm going to be strapping up the GoPro onto the camera here. There's beautiful light going on. I have some Portra 800 loaded up, and we're just going to start shooting some photos. So I'm going to finish up this coffee. Let's go capture some San Francisco life. Let's go. You know, guys, the energy right now is just the right amount. So the energy right now, guys, is actually really good. You can almost feel it in the air. Very high energy on the street. So I'm hoping this is going to be a good little session to make photographs in. Appreciate you. Alright, let's move towards the light, ladies and gentlemen. So the light is now shining west. I don't know. About to, yeah, I want to check it out. Shout out to the Leica store, San Francisco. Nice looking putter. Come on, buddy. Guys, get a little bit cold outside. All right, so honestly, I think I want to go to the Golden Gate Bridge to catch sunset. It's 5 o'clock right now. Sunset's around like 6 o'clock. The M6, I'm not used to saying M6 yet. I got so used to saying M2 for a super long time. The M6 is such a pleasure to shoot, you guys. I mean, I've wanted this camera now for years, and so being able to have it now and really just feel connected to it. I mean, I'm taking this thing everywhere with me, to like New York, to Chicago, to Japan. We're going to Hawaii. I'm gonna take this thing with me. My advice to anybody out there, if you know you want a camera but it is worth a ton of money, sometimes it's worth it, especially if it's gonna last you a lifetime. And I feel like that's kind of what the M6 was for me. After selling the Leica M2, I thought, you know, I didn't need another Leica. And honestly, I still don't. I've made great work with other cameras, but or just the M series in general, it's just such a pleasure to shoot, you guys. And wow, this is gorgeous light. Magical light. The combination of like that smoke coming out, backlit photo. A little jackpot for a rainy day right here. As long as you're in the right. All right, you guys, so we made it to the Golden Gate Bridge. We only have about 30 minutes left of sunlight, so I'm pretty much just gonna be going on rapid fire mode. Hopefully, man, we come away with, and there's only about 15 shots left on this roll of film. So with that said, let's get started. I'm a fan.
What's your name?
I'm Jonathan.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man. I love your work. Oh my god, guys, look at that. That is gorgeous right now. It reminds me of a popsicle. Why? I can't tell you. Look at this bridge, guys. This is life. This is life.
I'll give you these since you're
What is it? Oh, dude. No way.
I always try to carry some on me, so when I see people or if I'm into somebody.
No. Thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure.
Appreciate it.
It's cold as fuck out here. A little bit nicer, but I hope you had a good time out here.
Yeah.
I always just wait for the sunset because you like never know.
Yeah.
And like when it's cloudy days like this, it's always got the potential to be like something. But
Dude, hell yeah. Keep killing it, brother.
yeah, for sure.
Thank you,
Yeah,
dude.
definitely.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
for sure.
You too, man. Look at that. From the one and only Jake Ricker, out on the field. You know, that's a true photographer right there, guys. This guy, he's been doing this for years. He is an amazing person, an amazing photographer. Wow, I can't wait to get home. I can't wait to get home and unbox this. This is not the most flattering angle, but it's all right, guys. I got some fruits. Let's go. Alright, so I plan to do a more in-depth video about why I decided to get a Leica M6, but for now, let me just kind of soak everything in and tell you guys a little bit about my first experience with the M6. So at the time of recording this, I've owned the camera now for a little bit over a week, and upon getting it, I was just starstruck. As you guys seen in the unboxing segment from the first part of the video, I didn't say a word. This is my first Leica since the M2, and I've always wanted to own an M6, and so being able to go out there and shoot with it, it just felt surreal to me. I've had so many opportunities of holding, you know, my friends like Mike's or Bob's Leica M6, and I always told myself in the back of my head, one day I will get that camera. And so being able to finally make that happen was really, really awesome. And I can't wait to do a little bit more of an in-depth review of the Leica M6. This little dual hinge thing, I like it. It's really interesting. And then just listen to the sound of it, man. You can't tell me that does not sound great. But the main reason why I got the M6 is because I'm working on a body of work that's gonna take me to different parts of the country. I'm gonna be traveling a ton, trying to make photographs for this book that I'm trying to do. So I've thought about getting one of these for a super long time, and I just told myself, you know what, let's just pull the plug, let's go for it, and let's go make some images around the world. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of new content on the Leica M6 coming up here in the near future. But if you guys have any video recommendations, leave them in the comment section down below. And I just wanted to put this out there as a disclaimer. I am still going to be making tons and tons of other videos on different film cameras. This is just my tool for street photography. As a photographer or just film photographer myself, I am still very, very much amused by shooting all of my other cameras like the Minoltas, the Canons, the Nikons. I love that part of film photography. With that said, you guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know it was a long one, but drop a like down below and also hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more film photography, street photography content. But that's going to wrap it up. I'm going to probably go to sleep with this thing on my bed. What? I wish I was joking. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, Minolta Gang.